Here I've got ALCATEL One Touch Idol free, and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. At first you have to open the list of all applications, find and select the settings. Find and pick sound and notification, you will locate it under device. And now scroll down a bit, and here you will notice interruptions, so just open it. And now you can personalize the interruptions that will be allowed. So let me pick the first option. You can select when calls and notification arrive, always interrupt, so this is the standard mode. Then you can allow only priority interruptions, or you can switch off all of them and pick don't interrupt. And here you can select the period of time, so it can be until you turn it on back, or it can be for 8 hours, for 3, 2 hours, or even for 15 minutes. So let me pick, for example, for 30 minutes. Okay, then you can pick the priority interruptions, so it can be events and reminders, calls and messages, and also you can personalize calls and messages. Simply click here, and now you can select if you would like to receive calls from anyone, from start contacts only, or from all contacts. So let me pick from anyone, so actually we will turn this off. And finally you can also pick the downtime. It will be priority interruptions only. You can pick the day, so when it should be automatically activated. Let me pick Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Tap on done, and then we have to select the period of time. So let me select the start time for 11 and then the end time for 6 AM next day. So that's it. This is how you can personalize interruptions here. So this is the kind of D&D mode on Do Not Disturb mode. So from now on you can protect your focus whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.